Look at that, perfect fit.
Looks like Leddo's put a new piece of pipe on a carb.
Where's that rubber bung? Problem with it being is obviously, see where it's a bit deteriorated around there, like. Obviously we're just leaking fuel out at the side of here, so obviously we just bought this new pipe. We're going to see if this does the trick.
What they should have done is put a bit of WD-40 on the edge of there. That would have pushed too smart. But now, like that can pull it.
Pull it now, I've done it, look. Boom. And there you have it.
All I've got to do is drop it back on machine. See that pipe what's pushing in a bit, doesn't it?
Pushing in.
Yeah. Once you've got carbon.
Pull it out with this. Technical this, you know. Technical. Ah, pulled filter off now. I could sort that after.
I may as well do that, you know, because it's going to end up with a kink in there. So you may as well take it out now, put that on, put it where it's supposed to be. Pull your rubber out again.
I didn't want to take the rubber out.
You've got to pull that pipe through, pull that thing on.
That do?
Yeah. Put your filter back on.
Try again. Look at that. Sign job.
That's it. When you tighten that up, just push pipes in slightly. I hope next door neighbour's auntie's uncle's coming down. Has he bought us another strimmer? I cannot see that happening. Does he want to be YouTube famous? Tubing $1.99 for 2 metres in GJ's.
Bargain.
For 3 metres.
That's that, youth. That is how to mend a edge cutter.
I'm not convinced. Is it going to walk?
Well, we'll find out. We ain't linking round here from this bung, you know.
We ain't.
We ain't.
It's a hand job. I'll shift this before that cuts it up. Are we cooking with gas, lad?